So let us continue with our topic. We started with our Mediterranean region. We were studying about the natural vegetation of the Mediterranean region type. So the trees which are grown in Mediterranean region types are olive, oak, chestnut. The leaves of these trees are oily, thick with thick bark. The grass grown as here is low grass because rainfall is not throughout the year, whereas mountainous regions are covered with coniferous forestry, that is just like a Christmas tree. And you have the Mediterranean types of fruit where we have grape, pomegranate, you have guava, you have coconuts, pineapple, and variety of other fruits. So let us understand more in detail about the natural, that is the animal life, and the human life of the Mediterranean region. Okay, so moving ahead, the animal life. Now, what, because of short grasses and because of summer and dry summer and winters, which are rainfall which is in winter, animals, that is animals like goat, sheep, cow, mules, that is donkeys, what you call as horses, and other birds which are there, the Mediterranean types of birds which you can see are found the last scale. And because of this, animal husbandry, that is grazing the animals, then milking the animals, carrying the load from one place to another on the backs of the mules and horses. These animal husbandry occupation have been carried on large scale in the Mediterranean region. People are more engaged in this type of occupation in the Mediterranean region. Okay. The next is regarding the human life in the Mediterranean region. Now, how is the human life in Mediterranean region? It is said that the Mediterranean region people, or the ancient Mediterranean region as you can call, it is known as the seat of Greek and Roman civilization. That is, the beginning of the Roman civilization or the beginning of the Greek civilization started from the Mediterranean region, as you can see in the picture on the screen, where you have the different Roman and the Greek monuments and sculptures. You have the Colosseum, you have the Pantheon, okay. Then you have the different fruits which have been grown, that is olives, grapes which are there. Then Olympics, okay, which was been started from the Greek, okay. Olympics started from the Greek. We also have different varieties of potteries and other things which have been made in the Roman and the Greek civilization. Looking at the other pictures, because the main agriculture is agriculture, mostly fruits and flower cultivation takes place in the Mediterranean region. So you can see the Mediterranean types of fruits and vegetables: watermelon, pineapple, grapes, papaya, banana, orange. So many fruits are there. Similarly, the different vegetables, colorful vegetables, healthy, right? Not only that, even the flora and fauna, the flowers and you can different things. Wheat is grown because it is the house of wheat production. So wheat is the staple that people of the Mediterranean region especially prefer eating food products which are made from wheat. Okay, like the bread is there. Then you have the special roti, what you call as the khabous. Okay, you can see in the picture. You have pastas, you have spaghettis. Okay, you have different things which are made. Now these people, they eat khabous or they eat such things which are edible, okay, and which gives them health to their body. So wheat products are mainly found in the Mediterranean region. No matter whichever food they have, bread is the staple diet, okay, anything made from the wheat. Then the human life over there, they live a very melodious, or you can call a colorful, joyous, and they are fun-loving people in the Mediterranean region, which you can see from the colorful pictures below which are given to you. So the Mediterranean region and the people living in Mediterranean regions are very fun-loving. They enjoy their life and they have a very good livelihood. Okay, I hope you are clear. Same once again, Mediterranean region textbook, page number 34. You have to read the tables and the details from this table. Moving ahead, the next important region what we are going to study is the West European region. Now, where does this West European region lie? The location of this region, it is located in the western parts of the continents between 45 degree and 65 degree north and south parallels. And which are the areas of the West European, because it is lying the western side, so it is called as the West European. So the areas are Norway, Denmark, Ireland, British Columbia, South Chile, New Zealand, etc., which you can see on your screen. Regarding the climate of the Western European region, how is the climate over here? Summer temperature, that is mean summer temperature, is around 20 degrees Celsius, and mean winter temperature is around 5 degrees Celsius. That means cold, it is cold also, and it is at the same time hot also. The rainfall varies from between 500 and 2500 millimeter. That means it gets a good amount of rainfall, and because of this good amount of rainfall, that is most of the areas in the Western European region, they receive rainfall in the form of cyclones. Because if you look at the monsoon region, in monsoon region it is from 250 to 2500 normal, but over here it is from 500 to 2500 millimeter. That means many a time there is storm, or many a time there are cyclonic. You know what a cyclonic now? Like in a circular manner, the wind blows in a circular manner and it carries away with it all the things which comes in its way. So there are cyclonic rainfall. Okay. Now, which are associated. So which type of wind? Now see, the Western European region and the monsoon region are associated with the wind. So here you have the westerlies. So these are associated with which type of winds? Westerlies. Whereas the monsoon region, which type of wind it was? Southwest monsoon winds. So here you have the westerlies winds which are flowing towards the Western European. Now in this region also it rains throughout the year, and because of cool summer, nice, dry summer, cool winters, the climate is mild over here. Rainfall is there, summer season is there, winter season is there, the climate is mild and cool over here. Now, talking about the natural vegetation in this Western European region. So the vegetation over here is green grasses are there all around the year because good amount of rainfall is there. At the same time, winter season is there. So during the winter season, the trees start shading their leaves. You can see in the picture, the leaves shade their leaves during the winter season because the ice get accumulated on the wind and on the leaves, and the leaves they drop down and they get shaded away from the plants. Okay, that which are the different, that is the coniferous, just like Christmas tree. You can see the coniferous in the pictures also. Tall trees with pointed leaves, pointed branches which are pointing towards the earth. So coniferous trees and short grasses is the major characteristic feature of Western European region. And the different types of trees which are found over here are oak, beech, maple. Maple syrup, maple sauce is eaten with wheat and all the products in the Western European countries. Elm, pine, spur, poplar, etc. These are the various types of trees which are found in the Western European countries. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Yes, because it gets a good amount of rainfall, so trees also grow to a good height. And because summer are severe, cool summer, dry summer, the leaves have you can see the canopy, that is like an umbrella also. And during the winter season, mountainous region, coniferous trees, so that the snow can well down. These are the various types of trees which are found over there. Moving ahead, about the animal life in the Western European region. Now here also a good amount of animals, domesticated animals are found. So animal husbandry, that is rearing the cows, milking the cows, okay, taking the sheep and the goats and rearing the sheep over there. So domestication of animals, hens, pigs, you can see the pictures, okay, pictures speak louder than words. So domestication of animal is carried out on a large scale over here. And along with that, wild animals, like you have the wolves, you have foxes, you have bears, okay, which are found in the Western European countries. Now, the human life of the Western European countries, because this area, okay, Western European countries, this is a region where industrious and enthusiastic people are found. That is, people are more involved in hard work. As you can see the first picture, where people are working for the agricultural purpose. Industrious means majority of the people they do skillful work, hard labor skillful work, whether it can be factories, industries or agricultural regions. Okay, so they are very enthusiastic with a lot of energy and they have skills. Skill power is more in this region. Along with that, many people are connected with sailing and explorers. So sailors and explorers are there. As you can see, sailors means the person who sails. Okay, the captain of the ship, the sailors. And explorers means they travel from one place to another place, finding out new places, new areas, new region, right? So there are people who are sailors, who are explorers, and they connect with the world. They try to connect with the world and they make the other people around the world to know about the new places and new civilizations. And because of this, they have achieved. They are industrious people, they have skilled laborers, they have energetic, they are explorers. Okay, they are very clever. So people are here mostly involved with secondary and tertiary occupations. Now here on your screen I have given major cultural professions which have been carried out in this region. Now secondary means occupations which are related with agricultural products, factory products, okay, products where raw material is converted into finished. And from that, tertiary sectors means majority of the people, as you can see, you have lawyers, doctors, actors, dentists, teachers, you have painters, police officers, you have shop assistants, fishmongers, you have butchers, bakers, security guards, soldiers. All these, that is people who give their services to the people, and along with that post offices, hospitals are there, service sectors are there. All these are connected with the tertiary sectors. So people are there involved with secondary and tertiary occupations in the Western European region. I hope you are clear till here. Yes, so till now we have studied with 9 important regions. Now, along with these 9 important regions, there are another certain regions which are also well known because of their some distinctive features or because of their some unique features. Now, among them, one such region is called as the China type of region. That is a warm, temperate, east marginal, or we can call it as the China type region. Now, where it is located? It lies between 30 to 40 degrees along the eastern margin of the continent. You can see in the picture. Countries like North and Central China, West Korea, South Japan, Gulf state of USA, South Brazil, okay, Paraguay, Uruguay, Eastern seaboard of New South Wales, South Queensland and Natal. These are some of the areas which are covered in the China type of region. The climate in this type of region is hot with wet summers and very cool and dry winters, and the rainfall is fairly heavy. That means a good amount of rainfall is there in this China type of vegetation. You can see warm temperate forest with scrublands. You can see in the picture, the vegetation pictures I have given, agriculture is there. You can see the climatic condition and you can see the colorful life of this west marginal or the China type of region. Okay, the next important region is the St. Lawrence region. Now, St. Lawrence region is also called as the Great Lakes of St. Lawrence downward, which is located where? Mostly surrounding the Canada region in Canada. It has flat plains with glacial hills and deep river valleys. The Great Lakes were likely much larger than today's. Okay, enormous volume of water is there. This is some information which is there. This is not in your book. This is just for your information. Agriculture which is carried on over there on a good scale, and it is populated region. Okay, so it is a very well populated region. You can see this with the St. Lawrence. This is also one. So these are some of the natural regions which are found. Okay, so with this I will end up with the part 2. Please read the textbook page number 34. We will continue with our same lesson part 3.